safety remains the #1 priority for those on health and safety committees in workplaces. And those gathered at this year's Safety 360 conference will also be addressing mental health in the workplace, climate-related hazards, change in technology, and the need for resilient people-centered policies. Minister of Labour, Social Security, and the Third Sector, Colin Jordan, notes a number of tragedies have been suffered by those working at heights, and he has given an instruction for a draft regulation on working at heights to be produced. He says this all forms part of government's push to create a workplace culture where safety, health, and wellness is prioritized.
This is absolutely necessary. The very last one is still, for me, a very painful one, given how the tragedy took place, and then the actual, I'm not going to cause any of us to relive the scene, but the body and pieces of steel don't really work together. And those tragedies, we have to make sure that those tragedies are a thing of the past.
Meanwhile, director of the International Labour Organization, Decent Work Team and Office for the Caribbean, Dr. Joni Musa Bayana, says the ILO's Global Being for 2025 invites employers to rethink health and safety, the role of artificial intelligence and digitization at work.
It invites us to think critically about how technology is reshaping not just how we work, but how we protect workers in this new digital landscape. ILO's own analysis of World Day 2025 highlights that these technologies, when implemented thoughtfully, can reduce physical strain, minimize human error, and strengthen our ability to monitor and prevent risks proactively. But this risk reduction in safety must be approached with care and dignity.
And BWU's General Secretary Tony Moore urges workers to embrace new technologies.
Our job here at the Barbados Workers Union is to ensure that when technology is introduced, it protects, but it does not pressure. Our job is to help you prepare for a future of work where your job will change. Technology, AI, digitalization will change the nature of your job. Our role is to help you prepare better to function in a world of work where technology removes some of the tasks that you have been accustomed doing, but prepares you and to take advantage of the opportunities to do other tasks that it imposes.
World Safety and Health at Work Day will be celebrated on Monday. Rachelle Agard, CBC News.